Hey guys, I'm the Lockpicking Patrolman, and what I've got today is a Mako lock, model number 427. Mako is a fairly new marketer of locks here in the U.S. I believe they're based out of Florida, and they've been really reaching out to the lock sport community to get feedback on their locks, and I think they make a fairly good product. This lock is roughly the same size as an American 1100 series. Also has an American style keyway with a 6-pin key. These locks have been featured on several other channels, Lockpicking Lawyer, also Bear's Back, and I believe Bosnian Bill was the first to feature this lock on his channel. One thing that I did want to note was that Mako takes the time to include a contact card with their Twitter and Instagram handle on there, and also their email address. And then on the front, they have the handwritten name of the person who assembled, keyed, and packaged the lock when you order it. So Gary, if you're watching this, thank you very much. This is a pretty fun lock to pick, and it's just the right size to carry around with you if you're a lock sporter on the go like I am. Now I'm going to use top of the keyway tension. I have picked this lock with bottom of the keyway tension before, and I'm also using a medium hook, and if you can see right here, this little ledge provides the best spot to really be able to get at those pins. And if I can do that without having a camera earthquake, I will. And let's see here. Let's go back to, okay, I believe this is pin 4 or 5. Got a click and a turn on the core. Okay, that was 3. We'll go to 2. Okay, if I can get under 2. Without losing everything or breaking my pick or losing my tensioner. All right, let's go for a quick reset on that. I'm actually going to bring you guys up just a little bit. Gives you a little bit better view, plus gives me a little more room to work with the pick. All right, let's go. Let's see. Okay, 1 is binding. See if we can get a click out of 1. Let's see if we can not lose our tensioner. I'm already up to 3 minutes on this, and we are still going to gut it. Okay. Okay, that was 4, I believe I hit, then 3, 2, okay, that was 5. Let me switch back up here to this ledge. 1, got a click off of, and we're open. Not too bad. I'll be honest, it's been a little while since I have picked a lock with a good strong core in it in hand. Got a couple other locks, and we can see everything just fell out. One thing also I did want to point out is that this lock has 2 anti-bypass wafers in it, which is very, very cool to see. I believe most American locks, if they have an anti-bypass wafer in them, they only contain 1. And I believe that's something that Lockpicking Lawyer pointed out in his video on this lock as well. Now let's try to remove the clip without removing any appendages. know what? I'm going to lock it up, even though I hate doing that when I'm picking. But it does make removing this clip a lot easier and less time consuming. And we do have a key and a follower. Another interesting thing to note is on the front of the core, I did not put that black mark at the front. That's something that us lock sporters tend to do, just so that we can remember which way is forward. Okay. So again, Mako, that's very, very cool that you've done that. And you can see that all of the pins definitely had to be picked. Look at how deep those key pins are. So we'll dump out one, which looks like a standard. 2 has serrations. 3, also a serrated key pin. 4, standard, no serrations, probably because it's such a short pin. 5 is serrated, and 6 is standard. Let me grab the tweezers and arrange these real quick without losing everything. Also, while I'm doing that, I don't see any modifications to the plug, which you don't really expect to with a commercial stock lock. Normally that's just in challenge locks, I believe. Let's grab these driver pins. Pin 1 is a spool. Two wanted to fly out of there. He's a serrated. Tell you guys, my tweezers just need to get a grip tonight. 3 is a serrated as well. 4 is a spool. And I just dumped out the springs in the Bible, trying to get out. Okay, there we go. Okay, there is 5, a serrated. You can see all these tiny little steel springs. And 6 appears to be a spool. And again, all the springs are the same, nothing done to the Bible. Give you guys a close-up of these pins. And one thing that both Bosnian Bill and LockPicking Lawyer commented on is that these serrations on these pins are a lot deeper and more well-defined than what you would find in an American lock. And it does add a degree of difficulty to the picking. Also, these spools are very nicely defined. Not terribly deep, but enough to give you a little bit of a false set when picking them. And these little tiny steel springs also put enough behind the pins. So, guys, there you go. The Mako lock number 427. Picked and gutted. Mako, great lock. I do like it. I think I may order some of these in the future to use. Gary, thank you very much again for assembling a very cool little lock. Guys, thanks for watching.